Hello, it's Dr. Elisha Van Dusen with New Hope Chiropractic. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how chiropractic may be able to help with stress and anxiety. So, most of us will experience some form of stress or anxiety at some point in our lives. Stress can even be helpful at times. It's a natural mental and physical response to demanding situations, which can help improve our focus and our performance. But living with high levels of stress over a prolonged period of time can cause anxiety, depression, and have a negative impact on our overall health. According to a recent UK-wide study by the Mental Health Foundation, a whopping 3/4 of adults, about 75%, have at some point over the past year felt so stressed they felt overwhelmed or unable to cope. So many of us dealing with potentially high levels of stress, it's important to recognize it when it started to impact our physical well-being. Short-term stress can often be attributed to our circumstances and therefore usually dissipates as we move through the challenging time. But when you find yourself feeling constantly stressed, say over a period of more than a few months, it's time to recognize it as a more chronic problem. So chiropractic treatment can be hugely beneficial in the treatment of the symptoms of stress. It's important to note that a chiropractor can't necessarily treat the cause of your stress, but chiropractic can certainly help to alleviate the associated symptoms such as muscle tension, pain, headaches, and poor sleep. The way our bodies respond to a perceived threat is actually pretty amazing. It's known as a fight or flight response. It's a healthy type of stress that'll get us through a difficult situation. When you encounter the perceived threat, like a car unexpectedly bearing down on you as you cross the road, your hypothalamus, which is a small region in the base of the brain, sets off an alarm system in your body, and through a combination of nerve and hormonal signals, the system prompts your adrenal glands to release a surge of hormones, including adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline increases your heart rate, it elevates your blood pressure, and boosts your energy supplies. Cortisol, the primary stress hormone, increases sugars like glucose in the bloodstream, enhancing your brain's use of glucose and increases the availability of substances that repair tissues. Cortisol also curbs functions that would be non-essential or detrimental in a fight or flight situation. It alters the immune system responses and suppresses the digestive system, the reproductive system, and growth processes. And this complex natural alarm system also communicates with the brain regions that control the mood, motivation, and fear. The body's stress response system is usually self-limiting. Once a perceived threat is passed, hormone levels will return to normal. Adrenaline and cortisol levels drop off again, and the heart rate and blood pressure return to baseline levels, and other systems resume their regular activities. Well, what happens when this system goes into overdrive? This is when we experience persistent and ongoing stress. It takes a toll on our bodies, and often the result is often pain, anxiety, irritability, and depression. Also, you'll have fatigue, inability to sleep, muscle tension, stiffness, headaches, migraines, aches and pains throughout the body, immune system suppression, brain fog, and loss of concentration. So, how can chiropractic manage your stress and anxiety? Well, it has a positive effect on muscle pain and tension. Chronic stress often results in pain, which in turn causes stress. It's a vicious cycle, and the pain can lead to irritability and other mood issues, clouded thought processes, and an inability to focus. And you may be unable to perform what used to be everyday tasks. And then it again becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy and a vicious cycle. Muscle pain and tension are related to stress, and most common areas of the body, like the jaw, for example, the eyebrows and the temples, the neck, the shoulders, and the back. So regular chiropractic adjustments work to decrease pain and relax muscles, and these benefits extend to improved quality of life, further reducing the anxiety and the stress. Okay, next, it has a positive effect on the central nervous system. The central nervous system is responsible for your body's response to stress and also benefits from chiropractic treatments. The central nervous system helps regulate mood as well as full body health, meaning that a healthy central nervous system helps improve overall health and wellness. Chiropractic helps improve the nervous system function by making adjustments to the spine, and over time more and more studies are proving that it's extremely effective, and as a result many health conditions are improved and even healed completely. Chiropractic adjustments open the pathways in the nervous system, allowing the information to flow unobstructed, and it goes far beyond just the spinal column. Chiropractors can adjust the arms, legs, neck, hips, all these things in addition to the spine, which all work together to provide a healthy functioning nervous system. So if you're stressed or you know somebody who has chronic stress, give us a call today. Contact our website at newhopechiropractic.com and book an appointment through there, and we'll be able to get you back on the path of less stress and better management of that stress. And with that, visit us at newhopechiropractic.com and have a healthy day.